guys? Mike from Romero Outdoors, and we are going fishing. We're not doing a challenge video. We're not doing MTB Slam. We are just gonna go try to catch some fish. So it's just TJ and I this morning, and should be a good time. The weather's a little cold, it's a little rainy, but should be a good day. Should produce some fish. So stay tuned.
Right there off the boat, too. Sucker followed you. You gonna grab it or something, dance? Get the line, pull him in the boat.
I'm not fishing fucking breed.
Oh, you're not?
No.
Why not? What was that? I'm guessing chunky. I'm also not holding it. That's what happened to me last time. Like right there off the fucking boat. What?
3-7.
3-7?
3-7. Get the release. Bye-bye.
Oh, stay port. That's fish. You whore. That's a nice fish, dude. Stay port! Porked him! Oh, swimming at me. Swimming at me. Swimming at me. Oh, it's a toad! Oh, America. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. It looked like I was lost it. What? That ain't a nice one. Dude, it fucking fought like one. So did your mother. Not as big as the first one, but one. Maybe I should just jerk on. 2-9. Ooh. Porked it.
2-9. Let's get a release on the little one.
You get my look at disapproval in the background. It just jumped on the water and I think you got it. It's cute. God dang it! Needs to be 4 what? Hey, 4 nothing. No, not a chance. It's probably barely even 3. £6. 2-9.
Another 2-9. Real yellow fish. Get the release. Finally.
Seriously. He's tired. He's pork. About freaking time. $2.12.
2-12.
There's that sucker right there.
Okay. Okay.
Good, brother? There you go.
3-4. Fifth fish?
Yeah.
Fifth fish of the day, and they're all nice. Gotta get that release. Gotta get a picture first. Release on the 3-4. Beauty.
You wanna quit fucking with me? Pull your weeds off my rod. Got him. Oh, you bastard! You done, Chunky? Jesus. That's what you want to see. He engulfed that thing. Just like that. Come on. 215. Fish nice scales.
215. Fish number 6?
Yeah.
215. Yes!
Stop it.
Hold on.
We're not waiting.
Yes, we are.
Not even gonna register.
Oh, yes. Look at that pig.
5
5 ounces. Whew, gotta make sure that pig's released unharmed. Hold on. Every dog has his day, TJ. Alright, so we're all done. Not a bad day for one of us. Poor TJ. At least he didn't get skunked though. But I just wanted to go over what I was using today. Every single one of my fish was caught on this
Keep that camera quiet.
lipless crank by 6th Sense. 6th Sense. Good little lure. I was fishing a 6.6 medium casting rod with an Abu Garcia Black Max cheap little casting reel. So not a bad day. We might go fishing a little later. We're thinking maybe go carp fishing.
I'm going.
TJ's going. He's got to redeem himself. So
Sick of it.
so stay tuned for that.
No. Okay. All day getting pissed off, not catching anything. Finally catch one, which was the 212. I was like, alright, today's gonna be kind of good. And then I fucking cast and launch my lucky craft I just got, my mystery tackle box. Gone. So Mike gave me another one, tied it on there. Same thing, next cast, gone. Getting so pissed off, and then I put on my
50-pound braid, he kept
50-pound
snapping
braid,
lures off.
weak spot or something, just snapped it back off. So I started fishing my little shallow diver crankbait. Then I hooked that stupid little 5-ouncer. So I'm gonna go redeem myself because I'm getting irritated.
See you guys later.